Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here north of Athens in Kifisia. This is the last stop on the Green Line Metro, and Kifisia is supposed to be a really high-end, the most expensive neighborhood in Athens, supposedly. I've never been here, so I'm going to walk around and see what it's like. So this line is line 1 that takes you all the way to the port of Piraeus. If you're going to go to an island or something like that, you're going to probably leave from there, or the port of Rafina on the other end of... I don't understand. Yes, yes.
Without permission.
Permission?
No,
I need permission to take a video?
of course.
Oh, okay. So the guy protecting the station over there to make sure that nobody takes any illegal videos of the station or the trains or whatever. Okay. And technically that is the rule in New York City as well. They used to not let you take photographs on the train station. I don't know if that has changed with the advent of everybody has a video camera and everything on their phone, so they probably don't enforce it, but that's the rules also. So anyway, you got this nice park here. From looking on my Google Maps, it looks like all the stores and everything are on the other side of this. So this is a really nice park. It's not your average little platea with a few plants or something like this. You can see they spend a lot of money on maintaining this place. And that's because from what my cousins tell me and what I've read and whatever, is that this is a very high-end neighborhood. A lot of rich athletes, actors, famous people, politicians, all of that stuff. A lot of them live up here in Kifisia. Now there's other high-end neighborhoods around Athens as well, like Kifisia or Kolonaki right in Athens by the embassies and the Parliament building and all of that. So I'm kind of curious to compare how this looks like compared to those areas. Okay, this seems to be a pretty popular street, so let's see what's up here. This is one crooked tree. Crack. So this is a pretty nice street. Looks like something in Kifisia. If you're gonna ask for money, probably it's a good place to do it where people have more than average, like here. So here they have Everest exclusive. I don't know I don't know what that means. And Goodies Burger House. This one is not exclusive, but where my station is in Katopatesia, there's also a Goodies and an Everest right across from each other, but not the exclusive one. I don't know what that entails. Probably higher prices, I don't know. Ball restaurant. So yeah, definitely a high-end area. A lot of cafes and restaurants for people that probably eat out a lot. Bowling, billiards, and ping pong. I didn't know bowling is big in Greece. Billiards for sure. A Ralph Lauren store, and looks like a pretty nice place. I think I'm gonna check out that Ralph Lauren store and see how it compares to the one on 72nd and Madison Avenue in New York City, the big mansion. So, Hugo Boss. I don't even know what this is. There are a lot of watch places, skiing. By the way, from what I understand, it gets cold up here to the point where it snows. It snows in the winter a lot more than it does in Athens. And Athens has a little bit of snow once in a while, but I guess if Athens has one dusting, this may have three snows in a winter or something like that. So can I cut through here? Maybe not. So there's definitely a lot of high-end shops and stuff like that around here. What's strange is my cousins never mentioned coming up here on the weekends, or you know, a bar scene or anything like that, or never mentioned for me to come up here. I wonder, is it because it's not really like that? It's just kind of a quiet high-end area, like maybe the Upper East Side of Manhattan or something like that. So you see there's a mix of the old 100-year-old or so buildings and modern, more modern places as well. Definitely feels a little bit cooler than just south of here, like Kifisia, where I came from. Maybe building some big, I don't know, somebody's mansion or something. So this place is overgrown. Maybe they did that on purpose so you can't see through the fence very well. But it's a nice looking building. Where's the Ralph Lauren? Oh, this is the Ralph Lauren. So, in terms of buildings, I'd say it's pretty much up there with maybe the one on 72nd Street, the mansion, although it's in the Greek style, Greek old style. So, nice. And a Starbucks in what looks like maybe something you might see in Switzerland or something. That's the impression it looks like that I get from it. So, a lot of coffee shops. So, people here have a lot of leisure time to be sitting in coffee shops, it looks like. And by the way, it's, what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a Tuesday. So a lot of people out for that. Not everybody has to work a 9 to 5, I guess. But yeah, it's weird that my cousins never mentioned Kifisia or ever coming up there, or I don't know, some good restaurant up here or something like that. They never talked about it. So I don't know. I like this place. There's a big Alpha Veta supermarket. On this street, some more kind of cafe with outside seating. Simple characters. Falls Most Wanted. It's an interesting place. What is this called? Amoras. The Amorous Project. This, the Dalian's house. I can't keep calm. The Malacca and Greek. That's truer words were never spoken. It's over this way. Let's go back to this street. This place is nice. What is this? Zambri. Look at that. It looks like some Roman bathhouse or something in there. Shoes, of course. Dos Hermanos, Mexican cuisine. Nice old metal gates and all of that. Pretty cool. Nice. What's that? Del Norte wine bar. So maybe this is not the not so popular area. Let's see what's on this next avenue, and maybe I'll turn around from here. The flowers smell good. Now, what is this building over here with the EU flag? Some kind of government building, maybe? So I don't know what this is. Alright, so I think I gotta head back towards the train station area. So the area around the city center here is really nice. I don't see any big huge mansions or nothing, but usually they're not right around the train station. They are further out where they have more land and ability to build bigger things, I guess. But let's continue walking and see what we find. Looks like some expensive stuff. Some jewelry. Zini Gap. Falls Most Wanted. 127 euros. Is that good? I don't even know. It's Dalmatian. Zara, sugar-free. Sugar-free here. Haagen-Dazs here. Beauty Project Medical. So I'm guessing that's lip fillers and tummy tucks and stuff like that. Probably does a bang up business around here. People with extra money to blow on stuff like that. But this building also looks like something from Germany or Switzerland or something. Maybe it's just the way it's painted or the wooden balconies. What is this? A small old church here. It's very old. Is this, a movie theater? Glitter girl. You want some shiny objects? You can get them in there. Temple. Yes, you are not in a ritzy neighborhood unless you have a store with a lot of expensive things for your pets. That's a sure sign. What is this place with bars on the windows and a, what is it, a museum or something? Has an old British phone booth, a gas pump, and an old American car with a surfboard. Old rundown house. Do they fix it up or do they tear it down? Look at this place. Wow. So maybe these are some of the bigger places away from the city center area a little bit. So guys, that's a look at the area around Kifisia, the last stop on the #1 line, the Green Line. A lot of high-end shopping stores, nice houses, high-end cafes and all that kind of stuff. So if you're into any of that or you just want to see the area, come check it out. It's just a metro ride away. I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.